dist css bootstrap.css. Dist css bootstrap.css. Dist folder I will share you in the chat. This dist folder is a part of bootstrap file. So in case if anyone not having this file folder, they can download it and extract in data binding folder. Download the dist folder and extract under the data binding folder. Download and extract it under the data binding folder. Body will open close. Here again I will write for script also. Follow the division. Class is container empty5. Division class equal to row. Division all hyphen lg hyphen 12. Text center. Follow inside button. Not button. H23 we can write. Okay. Add best. Delete example. Everyone have idea on bootstrap, right? Divya have idea on bootstrap? Yeah. Dist folder I have sent you. You can use that. Write another p tag. Keep inside enter book name. Input type equal to text. ID equal to not ID class you can write m3 class equal to m3. Dist folder I have sent you in the chat, Zoom chat. You are logging in laptop or mobile? Zoom chat, Zoom you are logging in laptop or mobile? It will come in laptop. Login in the Zoom app, Zoom application in laptop. I'll send you there again. Next, the text box is ready. Form control, if you give, the text box will become such a big, because you are following 12. 12 you are following. So inside the text box will cover full width. Right. So I have written directly M3. So little gap will come. Now button called save. The last name btn primary. Here also M3 you can write, or M3. Sufficient space will get applied from surrounding. Okay, save it. Something like this. A space will be there. Then after that, under this row, you can write MB5. Margin bottom 48 pixel. Under this row, MB5. Margin bottom 48 px. Now after this, create one more row. For this row, you give a ID, item list. In this row, we will be sending the data from JavaScript. The row is here, but column is not here. Column we will create under the JavaScript. How you are creating the paragraph? Similar, we will create paragraph or division and we will apply the class. And then that data will send to this item list. Okay, so hope your structure wise you have made it ready. Next is we need to go to the script part. In a script, write a array item write something book mobile Stop. And it is a few items. Okay, now write a function called get item, where get item equal to get item, get item. Now inside the get item, we create a variable. Every function has like empty path. Empty variable. Empty. You didn't mention any parameter. Where? In function. Get item. In function, we are not sending anything. This this function will return something. If we want to send, then I have to receive here. And then we have to call that the same way. If you are sending something, then receive here and then call here. In case if you are not sending, then don't need to receive anything. This function is going to get the list. We created a global variable. In the global variable, we have some data. Now this global variable we can access inside the function. Under the get function also we can use. Under the save also function also we can use. Under the delete function also we can use. Why? Because variable is defined out of the function, becomes a global variable. Okay, now global variable can be accessed by any function inside the files. If this line we cut and paste under the get item, then this item variable will become as a local variable. Yes, it will become as a local variable. Only the get item function can access, other function will not access it. Right, so variable, any variable you write, data, one empty variable you defined. Okay, next after this, write a map function, item.map, name of the item, as well as index of the item. Next after this, so item name will go to the name and index position will go to the index. Next inside, let's first create the paragraph. Data plus equal to, open the p tag, close the p tag, write inside name. Then this p tag you will send to the item list. Document dot document dot getting by id dot inner html equal to the data variable. Now call the function onload. Which function? Get item. Onload you can call here. Onload equal to okay, hold on, I'm sending you. Dist folder again coming to your chat is uploading. Okay, so it should be in your chat now. Dist folder. Something like this. 3 item appear. List of items should appear. Now for this paragraph, some changes we have to do. So go here, write the one more division before that. Data plus equal to, open the div tag. Data plus equal to, open the div tag. Again data plus equal to, close the div tag. And for this division, class equal to division class equal to call hyphen lg hyphen 3 and mv4 or mv3 is also fine. You can try it. Column 3 you added. Your page will appear like this. In one line, 3 items. Not 3 items, 4 items. Column you are generating in bootstrap. Row you have inside the HTML already. You will write one more button below. Delete button. Data plus equal to write a button. Delete class equal to btn hyphen ranger. Coming. Here you can apply one more class text center. Text center. Video. Run your page. Go to run your page. Go to browser. Do the right click. Inspect element. Click on console. Okay. Element is here, no? Element. Click on console. See, map is not defined. Go to the code. It is a square bracket, no? This is here written the function bracket. It is a square bracket. The hope looks similar. Now let us add one more division. It should look little more attractive. Coming. Okay. Add one more division inside the college 3. Data plus equal to division open close. Division open will happen here and close will happen after the button. And now write a class for this. P3 grounded shadow. P3 rounded shadow hyphen LG. Very good shadow will come. Something like this. So hope looks similar for everyone. This P I am going to change to H6 to understand how that looks. H6. H6. H small. H5 we can write. Will be okay. Now when we add the new element, the value should keep increase. So first we'll do the adding part, then we'll see the deleting part. First adding, then deleting.
So QST equal to that operation is assigned.
This is also concatenation only. Data equal to data plus you can write, or data plus equal to you can write. Both are same. We write data equal to data plus, and now you wrote data plus equal to. Both is for the same purpose. Okay. Now write a function called save. Inside the save, we have to take the value of text box. Which ID you are given? No ID. We have to give some ID for this. New item. New item. Now write here a variable. New item only. Document dot get element by ID. New item dot value. Okay. New item dot value. So you are going to take the value from where? Text box. And store into which variable? New item, or write here X, no problem. And first alert the X. Alert the X. Alert the X. Alert the X. Now on button click, call the save function. And see value is coming alert or not. On button click, call the save function. On button click, call the save function. See value is coming alert or not. Getting alert. Something like this. So alert should come. No. Check. ID is there or not. Have we clicked or not? On click function you are calling or not.
ID was different.
That is only no. If you look into the code, you will get the problem. Look inside, we'll see the problem. You will get the problem.
Anyone's LinkedIn.
This is the total HTML code. Please write it, see once quickly. On button click which function? Save. ID of the text box is new item. ID of text box is new item. On flag we are calling the save function. Next, after that, inside the save function we took new item dot value and passed to the x. In JavaScript we have a function called push function. Push function will add in the last. Unshift function will add in the beginning. Okay, so in this array, where you want to add? Before book and after pen. Both options you have. Let's write here. Array name dot push. Array dot push. There you will pass call x. Array dot push. There you pass call x. Item dot push. There you pass call x. And after adding the item, again call this item list, so that list will be reload. This is for what purpose? This is for the purpose of to add new element at end of array. This is to reload the list after adding new item. And write one more line to clear the text box after everything. Dot value equal to empty. This is for what purpose? To clear text field. To clear text field. To clear text field. Oh. Anything happening?
Sir, items are adding. But empty items are also adding. And like input field is empty also adding.
Give anything, it will add. Okay, something like this. Will get added one by one.
So the input is empty also by clicking the save button. Empty
It
item.
will add empty only. Item, whatever you enter under the text box is getting added, right? So flow is very simple. We have a text box. In text box, we enter the value. Button click, you call the save function. Now the save function will take the value from the text box. After taking the value from text box, it will push inside the existing array. But where it will push, I have written here. Push at the end of the array. After pushing inside the array, again it will call the function called get item. Now what is the role of the get item? You can see here. Just now we have written, no, half an hour we spent it. We have item inside the array. From array you are reading one by one using which function? Map function. Then if a bootstrap is not available in mind, then you will not understand this what is happening. See, these all lines are bootstrap related. First two line and last two line. All are related to bootstrap. Only one line is this one HTML part. So this example is not direct example. Yesterday we have written some example, remember? Yesterday paragraph we have generated. I have written one, I have asked you to write three. If you have copy paste, then it was your problem. Correct, no? If you write manually, then you will understand. If you copy paste, what you will understand? Okay. So using the map function, we are reading the data from where? Item array. After that, we are creating the call LG3, and inside the call LG3, again you are creating a division with some shadow, some padding. Then you are generating one H5. After that, you are generating one button. Then you are closing the first, second, last division. This padding related. You are closing the first division, column related, call LG3. So this is call LG3 is getting closed. And this is which one? Padding division is circle here written. That is getting closed. And once this loop will complete, after that, how many column it will generate? 3 first time. Again one more 3, one more 3, one more 3. And all the columns will go to this variable. That is called data variable. Finally, inside the data variable, you have HTML code, you have variable name, you have button, you have division, everything you have. So it is now holding text and HTML both. So we have seen yesterday, day before yesterday, if text, if you are generating HTML code, then inner text HTML you will use. If you are generating only text, then it a text you will use. So here we have generated called inner HTML because data is holding the HTML code. And finally we send to item list. Then we will ask what is the item list. Come down. First inside this division what we are generating? Columns. Right? We are generating what? Columns only. Now how many columns it will generate? Based on 4 columns. Correct? So this all the columns will be assigned to item list. Look at the item list. Item list is nothing but the row. Where is generated the column? Under the JavaScript. Where is the row? Under the HTML. Inside the row we are sending the column from JavaScript. Then automatically once page will refresh it will happen. Okay. Next work is we need to delete some element from array.
Can't we send the empty array? Can't we send the empty array?
Where? Here.
In item variable.
Here you can keep empty also. By default page will be empty. Like this. You will not have by default. Once you add here, then it will come in the list. By default, I have given some 4-5 values so that once page will run, you will come to know my data is coming. And then if you add the new, you will feel like, okay, in my array data is adding. Now, if your page is empty, this one, then you will fill data where it will come. So in fact, data is not here. When you add the new element, it will come here only. But that will not be visible. Will it be visible? No. Like suppose when I go here and I add one value. Okay, I add one more value. When we go to the code, anywhere can you see that GGG? No. It's not exist, no? Right? So for proper understanding purpose, what I have done, by default I added some value. So value will be arranged like this. When you add the new value, it will add inside the array at last. So in one example, how you can be masters? Clear, no? In one example, you cannot do everything. Correct? One gram cannot break such a big something. No, what is that? Surprise. Okay, leave that. So one example cannot make everything. So we will do some more thing. Let's come. Now write the next function.
So for delete button functionality we add this, it will delete the elements.
We are going to do the same next. Write the next function called delete. Function in the beginning only you can write. Delete function. Delete function you write in the beginning. Write here a variable del item in del item you need to write in del item you need to write index and then alert the index here. Inside the array, if you have element, how you will identify the element? Using their position value only, using the index position value. So here del item equal to, we are calling a function del item we are calling. In that we are passing the index. Okay. Now, based on this index, we'll come to know which item user want to delete. JavaScript has function. Using that function, we can delete that particular item. So until here, function is written. Come down. On button click. If you feel like if you feel the code is looking overload, we will remove the bootstrap and we'll make black and white page. Because of bootstrap, JavaScript code will become little heavy. Right? It will become heavy, no? But if you want look and feel, then if you want look and feel, then something is required. Okay. Okay. Let's implement the functionality. We'll delete the bootstrap. If you want, you can keep it, else you can delete also. Now see, hold on for a minute. Let me go here. This is my code. This is my code. Okay. These all are the code. Okay. Then this is the code. This is the code. Right. Now it's look little less heavy. One H5 are generating, and after that one button we are generating. Design will not come, but code become less code. Page will be something like this. Okay. Page will become like this. Whichever you click, if you click this, book will go. If you click this, mobile will go. If you click this, the button is open, button is closed. Okay, it is coming under the full area. Okay, it is coming under the full area, right? Hmm. It's covering the full 12 because of
median danger is we did not remove the class.
okay, danger also remove. Let's remove. What is the problem? So now HTML is look like a small code. Which one? JavaScript. So where you are happy? In this case you are happy, or in that case you are happy? Huh? So your wish. Okay, I have removed the JavaScript. Sorry, which one? Bootstrap. If you want, you can also make like this. So it will look less code. Or if you want to keep bootstrap, let it be. So it look like this. Black and white, everything. When we add something, it will get added. It's getting added. It's getting added. Okay. Now, next what we have after this, on click. On click equal to, you call that function called del item, and under del item, under del item, under del item, what is required? Index is required. Now where is the index? Index is under the index only. Here, index is under the index, but it will not print index. You can try here. Hold on. First you print 1 to 1, pass 1, click on delete button. See that alert is coming on. Getting alert, how much? Everywhere? But we want the number should be different. That should come from the index. Here is the index. Remove this and pass as an index. Then see what is the value of index. First, anything coming or not. If anything is coming, then what is coming? Nothing is coming. Syntax error happen. Alert will not come because this becomes a syntax error. Now see, this name is a variable or not? How you are combining under the H5? Using the plus, double quote and plus, again plus and double quote. So again index you have to concatenate here. How you will concatenate? Let me guide you. Double quote plus, again plus double quote, this way. So you are concatenating the index. Now alert will come. Index number with errors 0, 1. Index number will come now 0, 1, 2. Okay, so we'll go to the browser and we'll check ones. First one is a 0, 0. Second one is 1. Then we have 2. Then we have 3. Right? Now JavaScript has a function called a splice function. Function name is called splice. Using a splice function, you can delete element from anywhere inside the array. Okay, so user can delete any item. User can delete pen also. User can delete mobile. User can delete. User have freedom. They can click anywhere. Now, whichever the item he clicked, that index you are passing now. Index came to the del item. In del item, you write a function call a function. What is your array name? Item dot splice. Slice and splice both are different. Item dot splice. A splice function needs two parameters. The first parameter, your index, and second parameter, how many you want to delete. Like suppose you given as a index as a 1. Then inside the array on one position it will delete. But how many you want to delete? From one position only one you want to delete or multiple? Your wish. User is clicking on one and you want to delete multiple. No, sir. Then only one. If user click on apple and delete along with mango also, right? So you can say clear. Splice function need how many parameter? 2. First one is the position where you want to delete, and second one number, how many you want to delete. From given position, how many you want to delete. Definitely you want to delete one only. So write one. And after that, again call the getItem function so that item will get reload. Call the getItem function, item get reload. Happening, deleting. You remember Flipkart? When you go list of product will come, you will click on a button, buy now. So when you click on buy now, push will happen. Whichever the item you buy, click on buy now or add to cart. We click on add to cart. Once you click on add to cart, array.push. Means one array is empty array, and whichever the item you click, that item will get added inside the another array. Okay, array.push. After adding 4-5 item, you will feel like, let me see the cart, how many I added. You will go to the cart, then you will see this is useless, not required yet now. Correct? There will be option called remove. So once you click on remove, this function will call. Which function? Splice. Correct? Even they also have given multiple option to delete. Correct? Where you want to delete and how many you want to delete. Correct? If you want to reduce the quantity, reduce, else delete the item itself. Okay? Important function. You should not ignore it. Okay, let us see now what is happening.
For me, the last item is not deleting.
Delete the pen, gone. Laptop gone. Mobile gone. Hmm?
For me, the last one is staying there.
Have you added any extra ifs? Show me your code, I'll guide you. This file I sent in your chat, please have a look once. Three font size, no? Your eyes will go soon only. Control plus. Index you have written. Del item index. In that index plus, you have done anything? Index plus one anywhere. Class equal to button. On click equal to del item. Index. Single quote is there. On click equal to single quote is okay. Semicolon can apply in the last.
Yes.
Now go up where you have written that delete item function. Yeah. And index item dot splice index comma 1 get item. It should delete. Check once. Request. Can you run it directly without any server? Right click on that. Inspect. What is the index of that? 0. Del item equal to 0. Okay, 0 okay. Okay, go to the code again. Get item function where it went?
Yes.
That is a problem, no? Line number 40, cut and paste after that. That document dot get element by ID is written, cut that. Paste after that. No, after that line. After the function. After this map.
Yes.
Yes, after that. Check now. Replace first. Delete now. Okay, now come to the next what we want to do. When you are going to delete any item, right? When you are going to delete any item, there is no any kind of confirmation. By mistake, click happen, item gone. Correct? So that should not happen. So write here one confirmation. Ask from user, are you sure? If you say okay, then only will delete. Write a variable sts equal to confirm. Are you sure? Are you sure? Right below if sts true, then only do this. We have learned in the beginning, confirm will return true button, okay and cancel. Okay and cancel. Happening? Now we'll go here and we'll check once. Delete one. Are you sure? No. It will not go. Delete, yes. Then it will go. Delete, then it will go. Anyone can send me that bootstrap line? One line was here, no? Hmm? Complete under the map, everything. In chat, you can send that two line. What I have deleted in the beginning. We'll create some more example like this. You don't have to worry. We will remember it. Okay. We'll write some more example similar. Not everything here, only map function I ask you, only map. Okay, then we'll see again tomorrow. Some other example related to array only. Some more example will create single dimensional array. Some people are confused, saying like what is happening. Difficult, huh? Uh,